guys, it's Carly. Today I'm going to be doing a little pack with me video. I am going to Italy for 1 week and I need to fit all of my clothes into one carry-on suitcase and this Low & Sons carry-on travel bag for under my seat. So I'm going to teach you some of my tips and tricks that I use in order to make this happen. Number one, I always start picking out my clothes like a week or two before. So actually, as you can see behind me, I have all of my clothes hung up for the trip right here. That way I have it organized and unfolded right before my trip. Tip number two, I always pick out my outfits for each and every day, exactly what I'm going to wear. You want to make sure that you bring exactly enough clothes. Like, I don't pack too little, I don't pack too much, I always have exactly what I'm going to bring. So this actually includes shoes and jackets as well. So I always have exactly what shoes I'm going to wear with this outfit and the next outfit, and then what jacket I'm going to wear for that. For me, it is so important to wear my heaviest jacket on the plane. That way I do not have to pack this. This makes it so much easier to fit as much possible into your suitcase. I always fold my stuff into my suitcase nicely. I know there's this whole trend with like rolling your clothes into like a ball and putting it into your bag to not make it wrinkled, but it actually makes it so wrinkled. I gave it like 2 or 3 chances last year on all these different trips and it was a nightmare. My carry-on bag is my favorite bag ever. I purchased this from Low & Sons. It is the carry-on bag, the medium size, and it is so perfect. I've been using this for now a year. I've brought it on at least 9 or 10 trips now, and it is still in perfect shape. My absolute favorite part about this bag is the little side pocket that has this. It's so easy when I'm traveling to just put this through my suitcase and I could just lug around everything together and not carry anything on my shoulders or my back. It is just way too easy. This bag has so many compartments and I will link it below. That way you could really see what's all about it. It has a laptop sleeve, it has a book sleeve, it has more pockets for phones, chargers, zippers. It is just amazing. It is absolutely perfect. Packing shampoo and conditioner for a whole week and not being able to check anything could be a little tricky, but what I do is I don't know what I do. Okay. But what I do is I have 4 tubes and I fill 2 up with shampoo and 2 up with conditioner. So therefore, everything is all up to law, yet I still have all the shampoo and conditioner that I need. So now that I am all packed, I am ready to go to Italy. Thank you so much for watching and packing with me, and I hope I gave you some good tips and tricks. I forgot to pack pajamas.